Tonight is the night we're going to accomplish something special, something great.
When you put that U on your chest, you have the opportunity to change the world.
It's all eyes on us in competition, in the classroom, and in life.
It takes all of us together.
One heart, one soul, one family, one you.
And we need you.
At the U, we are building champions. And these opportunities come from the University of Miami family that bleeds orange and green. Help us to continue to achieve excellence and join the Hurricane Club today.
Right here, right now.